Hi everyone, welcome to Numeric Learning. So, we are starting a new series wherein we will be solving very important previously asked board questions of class 10th, important 5 marks or 3 mark questions. And in today's video, we will solve this question. You're given in the figure BC is the tangent to a circle with center O. OE bisects the chord AP. You are also given angle ACB is 70 degree. ACB is 70 degree. It's given to you. You have to show that angle AOE, this angle, right, is equal to 70. You have to just show it. It's a 5 mark question. Okay. Now here we have to know one important property, which is nothing but when you have a tangent, okay, passing through a particular point on the circle, which is B, this tangent will always be perpendicular to the radius of the circle. Okay, so you have your OB is the radius, so any radius through that point of contact, that is B, will always be perpendicular to the tangent through the same point of contact. So let us write this in the very first place. Okay, so the solution is, okay, so I am writing exactly the way you have to write it in your exam if the same question comes. Okay, so tangent at any point, on the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, through the point of contact. Okay, so this is something which you should know. Okay, so tangent at any point on the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Therefore, we say that OB, which is the radius of the circle, is perpendicular to BC. I'm going to write that OB is perpendicular to BC. Okay, therefore, when OB is perpendicular to BC, therefore angle OBC equal to 90 degree. Okay, we are also given angle ACB. ACB is also given as 70 degree. Therefore, in triangle ABC, if you look at triangle ABC, all the three angles of ABC, that is angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle BCA equal to 180 degree using the angle sum property of a triangle. What is BAC? We don't know. I'm just going to write BAC plus what is ABC? ABC, it's perpendicular, so it's 90, plus what is BCA? It's already given as 70 equal to 180 degree. Let's solve for BAC. So angle BAC plus 160 equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle BAC equal to 180 minus 160, which is nothing but your 20 degree. So BAC equal to 20 degree. Okay, whereas this is your 20. I'm gonna, okay. The second part is you are given OE bisects the chord AP. Let us write that. Since OE bisects, okay, the chord AP, obviously then this angle, that is OEA, is 90 degree, right? So therefore angle OEA equal to 90 degree. Okay, now look at this particular small triangle AOE. Okay, this angle is something which you have to show, right? You have to show that AOE is 70. So in this triangle AOE, this is 20, this is 90 degree. Okay, this is 90. So 20 plus 90 plus angle AOE equal to 180 degree. So in triangle, okay, AOE Okay, angle AOE plus, right? AOE plus OEA plus angle OEA plus angle EAO. EAO equal to 180 degree. Again, the reason is angle sum property of the triangle. Okay. So now angle AOE is something which you have to find. Okay. So angle AOE plus what is OEA? 90 degree. 90 plus EAO. EAO is 20. Right? 20 equal to 180. So angle AOE plus 110 equal to 180. Angle AOE equal to 180 degree minus 110, which is nothing but 70 degree. Hence proved. Therefore, angle AOE is 70 degree. Hence proved. Okay. Now, if you have done till here with all of these statements written, right, you get 5 marks here. So how is the mark distribution? The very first 1 mark is if you are writing this part correctly, you get 1 mark. Okay, that the tangent at any point on the circle is perpendicular to the radius through that point of contact, 1 mark for it. After that, the next one comes when you identify, okay, so OB is the radius, OB is perpendicular to BC, and then you take the triangle ABC, and this carries 1 mark, right? So with this you are finding out angle BAC, right? So correctly if you have identified BAC, this carries again 1 mark. So 3 marks here. The reason why OE bisects chord AP, again if you are able to recall this and write this, again 1 mark. So 4 marks so far, and the last 1 mark is here. Okay, finally to show that angle AOE is 70 degree. Okay. So again, so this is how the mark distribution happens. So make sure you have written everything, all of this correctly. Pause the video, look at it once, think of the steps, try doing it on your own, and let me know if you were able to do it. Okay, so this is an important 5-mark question which was asked in one of the previous board papers, and let us see. I will meet you all tomorrow with yet another important previously solved long question, long answer. Okay, 5-mark question or a 3-mark question. Till then, stay tuned, do subscribe, do comment if you understood, or if you have any doubts, please post it or write it in the comments there. Thank you so much. Do share it with your friends. Thank you.